It's very Aito eh. Kasi I think Aito ginaya ito eh. So, itong layout, itong actually ito very Geely ito eh.
Pati yung shape ng upuan.
Yes, isa lang supplier niyan eh. Galing Temo yan. By the way, it has a 21 speaker. Hindi ko lang ba't ang hilig nilang 21 Hindi lang i-balance ng 20. 21 Dolby Atmos sound system na pag nanood ka ng Godzilla, akala mo kinakagat ka na. Diba? Sa harap mo, maklase. Pero, Chinese. Yan yun. But I haven't tried the sound system, but I've seen in some reviews from before that I've watched na super ganda ng sound system niya. And I think that's the trend nowadays. Yung mga kotse ngayon, they come complete na para hindi mo na kalikutin. Kasi, you start messing with the electronics and everything, nagkakaloko-loko yung kotse. But another thing you'll notice about the car, it's so quiet, no? Hindi ko alam kung naka-double pane windows siya. Double pane windows nga. Kapal. Hindi siya armored, double pane. Kaya ang kapal eh. Wala kang marinig sa labas, di ba? Guys, I can't stress enough. Go to the Li Auto dealership in BGC. Check this van out. Take it out for a test drive. Make sure na may pambayad lang kayo. Kundi, tatawagin kayong Ascol doon kasi ako nagturo. Check it out. If you're really in the market for a luxury van,